Welcome back to Aquaplaticodon. In today's video, we're exposing another sneaky trick called the leftover materials scam. It's a common scam that targets homeowners looking for a quick repair or upgrade at a low price. Here's how this scam works. A contractor knocks on your door and claims they have leftover materials from another job nearby, like roofing tiles, paving stones, or paint. They offer to use those materials to complete a project for you at a steep discount, making it seem like a fantastic deal. A real-life case involved a homeowner in California who agreed to let a contractor repave their driveway with leftover asphalt from a previous job. The contractor did a rushed, low-quality job, and the driveway started cracking and crumbling just a few weeks later. The homeowner was left with a bigger mess than before, and of course the contractor was nowhere to be found. This scam often results in shoddy work with substandard materials, and once the contractor has your money, they disappear without finishing the job properly. To avoid this, always get multiple quotes from licensed contractors and never agree to spur-of-the-moment deals. Legitimate contractors don't rely on leftover materials to get work done. They use quality materials and offer detailed estimates before starting the project. Thanks for watching Aquaplaticodon. Remember to stay informed and stay safe. We'll see you in the next video.